Today, Maria and I are excited to be visiting a new restaurant in our home vaddo in Benaulim, South Goa. ToraShir is located in the same place where Pedrito's by the Banyan was, on the Margao-Varca road in Pequeno, Pulvaddo, Benaulim. To get there from the Margao Kharebandh side of the Margao-Varca road, continue past Umiya Mercado Mall and Correia Afonso Hospital. After Mother's Recipes restaurant, take the left to stay on the Margao-Varca road. ToraShir is a short distance ahead on the right. Eat, drink, love. Wow. ToraShir restaurant has a refreshingly green outdoor decor when you enter. They even have tables set in the garden for those who love greenery. Even once within the main restaurant, which is open, you can enjoy the greenery of the surrounding garden. ToraShir being in our home vaddo of Pulvaddo and Benaulim, we of course bumped into people we knew. Should we sit on one of these tall side tables with a view of the fields by the Sal River? Or should we take the last regular height table by this gorgeous banyan tree? Maria decides on the regular table. Due to too much loud background music in the restaurant, this video is largely in voiceover. Now what shall we eat? Our eyes are immediately drawn to the local kitchen section of ToraShir's menu. Salted pork is not seen often enough on Goan menus, so we will definitely try that. And village-style roast beef, but of course. Stuffed squids is another favorite with both of us, and we always try it whenever we find it on a menu. Lastly, we'll have all this with the Goa sausage stuffed naan. Don't miss the last page of the menu, which tells you about ToraShir, the pickling of slices of tor or raw mango with chilies and brine, which starts in Goa once the first raw mangoes appear in January and continues throughout the summer months. ToraShir's big mural celebrates these delicious brine mango slices, as does the mosaic mango tree at the entrance. We are getting into the village theme by enjoying a glass of dudshiri or dukshiri, a village brew made all over Goa but best quality from the far south. Yesterday we celebrated Maria's birthday. Now she's sweet 16 years old.
To 16?
Here comes our lunch.
Salted pork.
Lovely. Thank you. Those pale slices of salted pork and chilies look very tempting.
So nice with the chilies, no?
We both really loved the taste. We are so happy because we love salted pork and now we know where to get it in our village. We both will be happy to sit here for a long time eating salted pork. It's so delicious. Ah, here comes something more.
Village beef.
The flecks of dried red chili seeds on the beef roast are also very appetizing looking.
Stuffed sausage.
Yum, that naan is a lovely crispy orange. Let's taste the village beef. It was lovely, soft and just enough spice, not too much. And now to try this delicious looking chori's naan. It's so good because it has so much choriz stuffed inside. See all that Goa sausage? Now that's what we call a sausage naan.
Dude, now everything I had, I like. Even I like. Nice and thin, the slices are cut off the slices.
The salted pork was great because of how evenly it was cured and how thinly the slices are cut. That's how it's done. This video is like life in our corner of Goa, which is deliciously slow. We are enjoying our village lunch at village pace.
Good. Lovely.
And here, quite some way into our meal, comes our lovely stuffed squid. Because you see, in Goa, the best things in life are worth waiting for. Be it tor pickled over 2 weeks in brine, or plump squids lovingly cleaned and stuffed with their own tentacles in a tangy masala. We were surprised to find a caramel custard on the menu which was eggless. We are definitely trying this one. And we wanted to share one creme caramel.
Creme caramel.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Maria.
Thank you, Naveen.
That was something unique. We are saying goodbye to ToraShir today, but as we were leaving, they told us about their pork thali and we were immediately intrigued. So we'll be back to sample it very soon. Roma, you've ever had pork thali in your life?
No.
You ever heard of it?
No.
Maria,
Yes.
you ever heard of pork thali?
No. Taste.
I wonder what all it will have. I'm very curious to know what dishes in the pork thali. Roma's new friend is also waiting to try the pork. Pork thali. Wow, exciting. My gosh, look at that. Pork thali. Vindaloo, sausage chili fry, chone, sarpatel, tisrio, kishmoor, rice and sol curry. Check out this unique offering of Goa, Benaulim. And here's Maria and my lunch. A chonak rice plate. Prawn curry, veg korma, chone, tisrio, papadam, kishmoor, sol curry, pickle, rice and salad. And of course a beautiful piece of chonak fry. Fish curry has very different taste, huh?
Yeah.
I like how much veg they've given, yeah? Kurma and all. Chane.
Vindaloo is very nice. This is my favorite. The pork chili fry. Chili fry, right?
Yeah, sausage
Very
chili
nice.
fry. Are you enjoying the fish thali, Maria?
Yes, very much.
Which dish you like?
All are nice. Different taste altogether.
Oh, nice huge piece of pork, huh? Maria is enjoying extra helping of tisrio.
Today.
Maria too loves all kinds of shellfish. She's wearing a lovely dress also.
Pretty pretty. Today green lady.
As ToraShir brings out the huge gulab jamuns that finish their thalis, I want to pay my compliments to the restaurant and the chef. We are sure the pork thali will find many takers in the months ahead, and we are delighted that such an innovative item of Goan cuisine is being served in our own home vaddo in Benaulim. Cheers.
Very good. All the basic Goan pork is in, like the sorapate, vindaloo.